Hello friends, and welcome to our 10-minute upper body release. This is a great class to do anytime you need to quickly offload some tension from the upper body. We're going to begin by coming into a wide-legged child's pose. Spread the knees to the edges of the mat, extend the arms forward, and release the forehead. Let's begin by taking a few deep, cleansing breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale through the mouth, let go. Inhale through the nose. Fully and completely exhale. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. Now walk yourself forward onto the elbows, place the knees under the hips, and then place the left hand behind the right elbow as you extend the right arm forward. Release the forehead onto the left forearm. With every exhale, feel that your heart is melting toward your mat. Hips keep reaching skyward. Just let some of the tension begin to melt from the upper body. Let go energetically of whatever you've been holding on to that feels heavy on your shoulders. Let it go here on your mat. And now let's change sides. Place the right hand behind the left elbow, extend the left arm, rest the forehead on the right forearm. Let the heart melt toward the mat. Every exhale takes you a little deeper into the posture. And from here, we'll come into a full puppy pose. Extend both arms forward, heart toward the mat, and if it's comfortable, gaze forward. Keep the hips lifting high and the heart releasing down toward the earth. Feel the mid-back and the upper back begin to soften and open. Notice some of what you're holding on to. Feel the constriction and where it lodges in your body, and let that go. Let's come forward now into a Sphinx pose, resting on the belly, elbows under the shoulders, and I want you to think of dragging the mat backwards as if you're trying to pull the mat towards your feet. This will help engage the back and open through the heart. Now drop the chin down and roll the head to the left. And now chin through the center, head rolls to the right. Dip the chin down toward the center, left ear to the left shoulder. Through the center, right ear to the right shoulder. Through the center. One more time on each side. Now release the head back to center and bring it up to neutral. And let's roll onto the left hip. Keep the left elbow under the shoulder. And if you'd like, you can actually come onto the left palm. Now it's really important here to stack the hips one on top of the other so you're not rolling forward or backwards. Hips are right on top of each other. You should feel this nice stretch in the left side body. You can release the ear toward the left shoulder. And just rest here for a couple of breaths. Allow the side body to open and expand. The psoas muscle gets so tight and constricted when we sit or when we experience stress, and we tighten the abdominals unconsciously. But here on the mat, we can let it go with consciousness and awareness. And now let's return to the belly, and we'll simply shift to the other side, roll onto the right hip, stack the hips one on top of the other. If you're coming onto the right palm, go ahead and do so. The closer you walk the hand in toward the hips, the more stretch you're going to feel in the side body. So go until you feel comfortable, and then release the right ear to the right shoulder. And now come back to the belly, center yourself on the mat, place the hands underneath the shoulders, and we're going to come into broken wing pose. Extend the right arm out to the right, bending at the elbow, elbow and shoulder in a straight line, and then roll onto the right hip. You can either bend both knees and place them in front of you, or if you have a little more flexibility, just take that top foot and place it behind you. Left hand is pressing into the mat for a little leverage. And now return to the belly, and let's simply change sides. This time extend the left arm, bending the left elbow, roll onto the left hip. Right foot can rest behind you, or knees can be bent and stacked. Take a deep breath in. Exhale to release some of that tension. And now roll back onto the abdomen. Place the palms right behind you. On your inhale, lift the hands and interlace the fingers. Lift the feet. So torso lifts, hands lift, feet lift. Think of dragging the hands toward the heels. And then softly release. Place the palms under the shoulders. Inhale, rise up. And exhale, widen the palms. Inhale to rise. Exhale, dip the right shoulder down to the mat. Inhale to lift. Exhale, left shoulder to the mat. Inhale, lift. And exhale, right shoulder drops. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower the left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, one more time on each side, dropping right. Inhale and drop left. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower down. Reach the arms forward, and then reach the hands back beside the hips. Keep the legs lifted as the arms reach forward and back. Inhale forward, exhale back, strengthening the back. Bend the knees, reach back, clasp the outsides of the ankles, press the feet into the hands as you lift the torso, opening through the shoulders, the torso, the quadriceps, the whole front body opening. This is the exact opposite move we usually have during our day, which is all moving forward. So just take another breath in and exhale, let it go. Inhale, upward facing dog, press up, gaze to the sky. Exhale, press onto the knees and come into a seat. Let's extend the right leg to the side, pulling the left sole of the foot to the right thigh. Reach down with the right fingers, clasping the big toe, and let's take a side bend, left arm up and overhead. Breathe. Move deeper into that side body for one more breath. And then softly release, and let's change sides. Extend the left leg out. Pull the right foot to the left inner thigh. Reach down with the left fingertips clasping the big toe and take a side bend, making sure that you're moving directly to the side, not forward. Let the breath deepen the stretch for you. And then let's softly release, make our way back into our wide leg child's pose just as we began. Come back to that deep breath that you started with. Feel the steady pulse of breath in and out, the life force sustaining you, always moving, flowing. Just become conscious of that force which sustains you. Let go of the heaviness. Let go of what's weighing you down. And come back to the lightness of your being. As you inhale, gently rise up to a seat. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste. I hope this short practice supported you. If it did, please leave a comment, tap like, and don't forget to subscribe so that we can continue our journey together.